How to change your Snapchat username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change your Snapchat account's username. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, the process to change the username on Snapchat is fairly simple. First of all, what you have to do is make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store in the search box, typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've updated Snapchat, I'm going to basically go ahead and open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, once you open Snapchat, you can see this is how it is going to look like. It will take you to the default Snapchat screen. On the very top left hand side, you can see your Bitmoji avatar. All you have to do is simply tap on that Bitmoji avatar. Once you tap on a Bitmoji over avatar and come to this page, what you can do is on the very top right hand side, you can see that little gear icon. All you have to do is simply tap on that gear icon which you see, and right over here you'll be able to find this option which says username. So what you have to do is, in order to change our Snapchat username, you have to simply tap on it and you can go ahead and simply enter the new username. But keep in mind that if you've changed your username within the last year, you will not be able to do so. This is simply a limitation from the Snapchat itself. You can also read there, it says that you can only change your username once a year. So if you're trying to change your username once you've changed it within the last 365 days, you will not be able to do so. So be very careful on this. Make sure all of the spellings are correct. Once you've done that, simply tap on this blue button which says change username, which you see right at the bottom of the screen. And this is how it is to change your username on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.